I decided to do one more this evening. Here's my little animals. There we go. There. So I'm going to read Hiccups. Written by Holly Sterling. One morning, Ruby and Oscar were playing their favorite game when all of a sudden, look at Oscar. I wish Harley would play games like that. Harley! Hiccup! Hiccup! Oh dear, Oscar, Ruby said. How are we going to get rid of those hiccups? Hiccup! Hiccup! I know. Why don't we try dancing like this, Ruby said. Hiccup. Oscar danced just like Ruby, but the hiccups did not stop. How about if we jumpity jump like this, said Ruby. Oscar jumped just like Ruby, but the hiccups did not stop. Jumpity jump. What if we slurpity slurp like this, said Ruby. Slurp, slurp, slurp. Oscar slurped through his straw, but it didn't stop. Slurp, hiccup, hiccup. Ruby and Oscar twisted and twirled. Hiccup. And hoppity hopped. Hiccup. Hiccup. And tickled and tickly and tickled. But nothing could make Oscar stop. Sorry. Ruby stopped to think. Ah, she said, I know exactly what will get rid of the hiccups, she said. Ruby went to her toy box and searched and searched. got all her toys out. Magic wand and wizard hat with a swish and swish, and she waved her wand. Fizzy, swizzy, sparkly stuff. Hiccups begin. We've had enough. Hiccup, said Oscar. It didn't make it go away. Ruby threw her wand to the ground and tried a very loud stumpity stump instead. But there went Oscar. Hiccup, hiccup. Now I never heard Harley hiccup. Oscar just could not stop. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Then Ruby had a really brilliant idea. She ran away and came back wearing a special furry. What could it be, Harley? Dressed up a cat costume. Meow! She shouted. Oscar was a bit scared. His ears blew back and his tail gave a very small wiggly wag, but he didn't hiccup. She went meow. I think it might have scared Oscar. Let's see. They're gone, said Ruby. Your hiccups have gone. And she gave Oscar a great big hug. Aww. Woof, woof, barked Oscar. Feeling very pleased with themselves, Ruby and Oscar went back to playing their favorite game. Until all of a sudden, what could possibly happen? Hiccup! Ruby had the hiccups. Look at Oscar. The end. There's one kitty cat. If you enjoyed this story, Hiccups by Holly Sterling, you can get this at your local library. This was at the Free Public Library. I do not own the rights to this book. I hope you enjoyed this story. And I will have another story. And for the older kids, I have Batman and Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo. And I have a special Valentine. I hope you enjoyed this story and have a good evening. Thank you. Good night.